How to connect the MD528 True Wireless Earbuds to a Android phone with Android 14 using the Bluetooth settings. And if you are not sure, it's this model here in particular I'm talking about. You probably got these from eBay, Amazon, maybe Temu or Alibaba here or AliExpress, okay? So they look like these, they come in different colors. Yours might be different. Then to get these into pairing mode, simply you want to first make sure they are not connected to another device, because when you take them out the case, that's when they enter into pairing mode or reconnect to that previously paired device. So go ahead and unpair them if they are connected to another device. Then make sure they got some battery life by watching the light indicator on each earbud and making sure that it is currently charging or being fully charged. So now that you did all that, take them out of the case together at the same time. And when you take them out together at the same time, they will sync into each other and the right side will go into a green blinking light, okay? Also, green, fully lit green means they're fully charged, just so you know. So as you take them out the case together at the same time, like this here, it's okay if the case lid closes because the only thing that goes into pairing mode is the earbuds, not the case. So this is the right side. You can see that green blinking light. It will flip between or switch between the white, green blinking light and alternate switching colors, okay? That means pairing mode, and now that you have them doing that, you will go into your Android phone here, use the quick access, look for the Bluetooth toggle. You can long press that Bluetooth toggle. It'll take you here, go to pair new devices. So go ahead and tap on that one time. That'll turn on the Bluetooth settings and search for nearby Bluetooth devices. You'll see MD, that's the name of the earphones. And as you see it, tap on it. You'll get pairing requests here. Go ahead and pair. And you'll see that's going to show you as active, battery percentage. Then you'll go to the settings gear icon here at the right side. Tapping on that will take you to some more settings. You can bring it up here to enable some of these settings, such as the phone calls and media audio, okay? And that's basically it. You're good to go. You're fully connected. You'll also know you're fully connected when your earbuds no longer has that blinking lights on them, okay? There won't be any blinking lights. And that's pretty much it for this tutorial. Do hit that like and sub.